Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making Beef Birria Quesadillas. This is one of those Mexican dishes that's not only delicious, but it's also very addicting. It makes you want to keep coming back for more. Before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This will also allow us to continue to share our family's favorite recipes. Thank you for your support. Let's begin. First, we're going to prepare the chiles. We're going to remove the seeds and rinse them. For this dish, I will be cooking 2 pounds of beef, so I'll be using 6 pieces of chiles guajillo and 3 pieces of chiles ancho. Next, I suggest drying your chiles with a paper towel before lightly roasting them. The roasting is a quick process. It only takes a few seconds on each side, and if you leave them for too long, they'll burn and taste bitter. Here's a tip for roasting. Prep your comal or a pan if you don't have a comal. You can cover the comal with aluminum foil so that it's an easy cleanup when you're done. We're also going to roast the onions, garlic, tomatoes, peppercorns, and the whole cloves. Roasting them gives this dish a robust flavor. Here's another tip. I suggest roasting the whole tomatoes, then slicing them in half, and then roasting the insides as well. We're going to put the roasted peppers in a pan full of water. We bring that to a boil and then turn off the heat and leave them to soak for at least 20 minutes. Make sure to turn off the heat as soon as the water comes to a boil so that the chiles won't taste bitter. Now we're transferring all of the roasted ingredients to a blender. The onions, garlic, tomatoes, peppercorns, and the whole cloves. We're also adding the oregano, cumin, cinnamon stick, and the vinegar. If you don't have cinnamon sticks, you can use ground cinnamon. Finally, we're adding the soaked chiles. Make sure to reserve the water for later. We're also going to add salt to taste and then blend it until all the ingredients are pureed. Now we're going to prepare the meat. Here's the tip. I suggest slicing the meat in medium chunks because they will shrink after cooking. And then we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Finally, we're going to use a strainer over the pot to strain the puree as we pour it over the meat. We're adding 2 cups of water to the meat, but instead of using regular water, we're going to be using the remaining water from the soaked chiles. Now we're going to cook the meat. If you're using an Instapot or a pressure cooker like this one, you're going to cook it for 45 minutes on high pressure. If you're using a regular cooking pot, bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 2 hours or until the meat is tender. Finally, our birria is ready for our quesadillas. Now let's prepare our quesadillas. First, we're going to shred the birria. Next, we're going to prepare the quesadilla sauce. We're going to add onions, cilantro, and lime juice. Please refer to the description box below for the exact measurements. Now we're going to warm up a large flour tortilla. Now we're going to add the grated cheese and the birria. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. Next, we're gonna smother the quesadilla with the birria sauce we prepared earlier. And there you have it. Our quesadillas are now ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!